Hello, David here, and the project for today is cleaning the leather upholstery on the 2007 Prius. Yesterday I cleaned the plastic trim on the interior. I used 409 and I had pretty good results with that. There were some scuffs that would not clean off the plastic, and I had very good results with this Purple Power. It's a pretty strong stuff. You have to wear vinyl gloves when you're using it, and not supposed to breathe the fumes. I'm sure if you're in California it probably causes cancer, but it is great stuff. I have a leather cleaner that I've been using with good results in the past. I use this Meguiar's cleaner, conditioner, and I have a leather wrap steering wheel on the Ford Contour, which restored it pretty well. But I was concerned about these seats are so dirty. I wanted to use a cleaner without conditioner, just a two-part stuff. I have a bottle of cleaner and a bottle of conditioner. I'll show you what I have. I'm not sponsored, and I'm certainly not endorsing any products. I found these products online at Amazon because they had very good feedback. I have something from Chemical Guys. This is a leather conditioner, which you have to put on after the cleaner because the cleaner cleans the oils out of the leather and the leather will dry out. So you need a conditioner after you clean it. And then that came with the Leather Guys leather cleaner. And this cleaner is hard on the eyes and the skin too, so I recommend wearing gloves when you're using this too. And what's nice about it is I've read about other cleaners that have a horrible smell. This doesn't have any smell at all. I have some microfiber cloths for cleaning up the cleaner and conditioner, and I also got this this horsehair brush on Amazon to help with the cleaning. Then I read the instructions on the Chemical Boys cleaner, and it just says to put the cleaner on a rag or sponge to clean the leather. But I'm going to use this horsehair brush anyway, see how it does. Hopefully it won't scratch the leather, and this leather's so dirty I might need the whole horse. First thing I'd like to do is lay down a strip of tape separating the seat in half, just for the heck of it, so I can see the difference between the clean and the unclean side. You move the tape, see if we could see any difference. Get you guys a little closer here. Wow! Look at that difference. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get to work and I'll be back. I finished the back seats. It's a big improvement. Check that out. I've decided, since the leather's perforated, I'm not going to put the conditioner on today. I'm going to wait a couple of days for the cleaner to dry out of the leather. Now I'm going to move on to the front seat. About the front driver's seat, I am going to clean it, but I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it. It's got this big hole over here. Stick your finger in there. I don't know if I'm going to see if I could get a replacement skin from a wrecking yard or get a new skin from a upholstery shop or just take it into an auto upholstery. I'd be happy to hear your feedback on what you think I ought to do. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. There's not much more to do. I'm just cleaning, and I'll be conditioning the leather in a couple of days. That's about it. My videos, if you learn anything, you ought to learn that keeping your car clean and proper maintenance, there's no reason why you can't drive a car for 20 years and get a couple 100,000 miles out of it. Just don't abuse them, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.